This Zybook contains hundreds of animations and participation activities. These are designed to have students both visualize what's happening in the concepts. So in this case, I changed this to 2x speed so that we can go through it a little faster, which can help break down concepts more easily than just seeing a static figure. And students can't just click play and walk away. They have to step through the animations. And students have told us that they go back and use these often. When they're done, there's a check mark that gives them credit for watching this animation. But then as they go down, there's other activities where they can drag and drop. And if they get it incorrect, they can move. So these questions that are the orange participation activities are not designed to be summative assessments. They're just to check students' understanding as they go through. There's also multiple choice versions of these. So when they're correct, they will get green and they will get their check mark. But if they're incorrect, they will get feedback helping them think through it. And again, we get lots of feedback from students that these are very helpful as they're doing their work. There are other activities called challenge activities where students can't guess their way through. They're actually have to get it correct to move on to the next place. And there are progressions, in this case, 3 of them, where students have to answer correctly. And when they're done answering, they get a blue check mark. And when they're done with all 3, they get a check mark for the entire activity. That is also recorded in our system, which we'll cover next. All of these activities, the challenge activities and the participation activities, are recorded in our system. And you can go to the reporting tab and see how your class is doing as a whole. And you can see by each section how they were doing, and even by each question within that section. So this is a good way for some folks will check this before class really quick to see if there were areas where students were struggling. So maybe down here, you're seeing that nobody got this one right. And as a result, you might want to cover that material again. An additional piece to this is that we can easily set up this reporting or any of this information. We can configure it to match with your LMS. You just need to email our support group and they'll set up a one-on-one appointment with you quickly to make sure it is working correctly and get your LMS set up properly.